Go to Helen May 8 YouTube channel for my San Diego Fair videos. And for people who love crochet stuff, go to Helen May Crochet YouTube channel. Yeah, I love the colors.
I met up, and he like wanted her to like stay out there. Like, I would have done it. Yeah. I wouldn't have cared if he hadn't out come out yet.
She did. I'm not sure what, but I think she entered the Cantu piece.
This is everything that I got from the San Diego Fair. From the Big Red Barn, the alpaca, where the alpacas are, I got this beautiful bag, crocheted bag, and it was only $20, which you can't beat that. The yarn alone is more expensive than that. And I love the details on it. I'm so happy with it. And I also got this fluffy purple alpaca for only $23. So soft. Alpaca fur is so soft. And I got this alpaca keychain, which is adorable. And it was inexpensive too. So cute. Look at the googly eyes. And then I also got this chopstick. You get one with the marshmallow ice cream. So if you get two of them, you have a pair of chopsticks. And I went to the woodworking, which I think this woodworking was the best that I've ever been to this year. Look at this gorgeous wooden dog. And this is donation. So you just give a donation to get one of their beautiful woodworks there. And they're going to have a holiday gift sale again this year. You can go to my video on Helen May 8 YouTube channel to see the one I went to last year. But this one's going to probably be fun too. They're so talented. And I saw this artist, which I'm going to join his Instagram. He's very talented. I loved his artwork there. And I got a craft lemonade, which comes with this plastic jar, which is perfect for crafts. I like to use these to make my dachshund dogs. If you go to Helen May Crochet YouTube channel, look up my crochet dachshund dogs, and you can see how I turn these containers into a secret opening for your crochet dachshund dog. And this craft lemonade also came with this plastic straw, reusable straw. And they also give you this adorable bracelet, which says happy on it. It's too cute. So that comes with your craft lemonade, which was absolutely delicious. I got the lavender one. So good. And then I also got this gorgeous San Diego kitchen towel, which I'm going to put one of my crochet kitchen towel toppers on top of this one so I can hang it on my oven. If you don't know how to make a crochet kitchen towel topper, I show step by step how to do it on my Helen May Crochet YouTube channel. This fair, I think, is one of my favorites. It was just a lot of fun. I loved the theme. And if you go on Helen May 8 YouTube channel, you can see all of the fun art and stuff that I saw at the fair. Please hit like and subscribe for more of my fun videos, and I hope you have a beautiful day.